There's nothing like that. Even if you don't do maths, you can do this program without a fear, because we are totally involved in the anatomy and the electronic structure, right? So these are the modules you'll be learning. Then you can see now we are going to move on to the lab life of our students. How are they working? Okay, so you can see I'm moving on to certain pictures. This is me demonstrating for the certain students. And also we take our students on certain field visits to school science day programs where they can go and explain the students what to teach and do. We had an open day where schools visited our faculty. Let me play this video so you can see what's happening. Huh?
If you're done with your O-levels or A-levels and interested in applied science and healthcare sector, join our webinar on 22nd July from 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. to explore more about the School of Life Science here at ESOFT Metro Campus, Colombo.
So that is a webinar video. There's more video coming. Yeah. So this video I'm going to show is a student from our very first batch. They have removed the monitor completely. Basically, I have disassembled it, and with their skills and experience where we taught during for the 1.5 years, they are able to totally reassemble it, which is a very delicate process for a HND level students, but they managed to do it without help of an engineer. I just removed and give it to them, and they have reassembled it properly, and it's working in good condition. Just go through the video, please.
Demonstrate what you are going to do.
We have been deciding these interactions, and we can see there is IC and IC. Then in here this IC there are two missing parts, and we are looking at 4, 5, 6, and that 11, 12, 13.
අනාගත ලෝකයේ රැකියාව වෙළඳපොළ තුළ වටිනාකමක් තියෙන රැකියාවක් තමයි biomedical engineering කියලා කියන්නේ. ඉතින් biomedical engineer කෙනෙක් විදියට අද ESOFT Metro Campus එකේ ඇතුලේ අධ්‍යාපනික වපසරිය ඇරුණට පස්සේ ප්‍රායෝගිකව ක්‍රියාකාරකම් කරන්න lab පහසුකම් සහිත ස්ථානයක් අපිට හම්බෙලා තියෙනවා. ඉතින් මේවත් එක්ක අපිට රැකියාවක් සහිත පළපුරුදු ක්‍රියාකාරියෙක් විදියට රැකියාවට යන්න අවස්ථාවක් අද biomedical engineering ඕලින් අපිට ESOFT Metro Campus එකකින් ලබා ගන්න පුළුවන් වෙලා තියෙනවා. ඉතින් මම ආරාධනා කරනවා රැකියා ශ්‍රේෂ්ඨය තුළ biomedical engineering විදියට වෙන්න කියන දකින්න ඔයාලා හැමෝටම එන්න ESOFT Metro Campus එකට ඇවිල්ලා බලන්න මේ පහසුකම් වත්මින්න ඔයාලට අනාගත ලෝකයේ කීනයක් තියෙනවා නම් biomedical engineering කෙනෙක් වෙන්න ඒකට සුදුසුම තැන තමයි ESOFT Metro Campus.
So those are the videos, and let us go for the career opportunities. Now, as you can see, students who have joined our program so far, we have almost 5 batches ongoing, and 6 batch intake is currently happening. That is for the HN in biomedical engineering. 3 biotechnology batches are ongoing, and the 4th batch is now happening. The intakes are open, and for the top up, the degree, first batch is completed, means they're still the academic day in the second semester. And the second batch, the registration is about to close on 28th of this month. So there are a huge number of students who have trusted their academic career at ESOFT. So the opportunities are as follows for a biomedical engineer. Once you become a biomedical engineer, you can become a clinical specialist, you can become instrumentation engineer, whatever you talk about it. So these are just few, okay? So these are the career fields, the overall picture where you can go, the better understanding, medical labs, healthcare companies which bring these instruments and sell for us, where they do the servicing for these instruments, where regular servicing and calibration is definitely needed to give the accurate results. If not, we will be getting the wrong results, and with the wrong results, we can get wrong diagnosis as well. So these are the main factor, the main companies. More companies are about to sign MOUs with us. Our students, whether it's biomedical engineering or biotechnology students, once they finish their HND, which is 18 months long, they are going to get 6 months guaranteed internship with us. We will be finding them internship for us and give for them, right? So we organize, once every batch completes their HND, we organize our career day. So the first batch completed and the career day was last August. They have been in the industry. Now they have been recruited as full-time employees. So this month on 25th, that is next week, Tuesday, we are having our second career day to put our second batch as well to go on the internship. So these companies are representing themselves at our event, and they will be interviewing our students, looking into their activities, and they will be basically recruiting them as interns, and then your job will be guaranteed as well. Your performance is under your hand, but getting an internship is utmost difficult once you finish an HND, but ESOFT make sure that you get it without a hassle. So these are the job opportunities, how much percentage wise is there. And this is the first career day photos, as I spoke a while ago, just a minutes back. So you can see the photos there. The students who are seated are being interviewed by the companies. The company representatives are here. They are looking into the final projects done by the biomedical engineering students, how they present. And basically, we are coming to the final of this webinar of the ESOFT side about the biomedical engineering and all. So the final here is the degree. So it is two types, it's very advanced degree, but you will be covering the entire latest modules which are biomedical engineers needed. This program will be based on assignments and exams. So depending on each modules, you will be having different percentages on how much you're getting it. But nevertheless, this is not so hard at all. It's all about your dedication and passion to study towards a dedicated biomedical engineer. You can succeed it without a hassle at all. But the investment is very fair. For your HND, you have to just pay 4,50,000 for your 18 months, and you have to pay $400 for your PS and HND. Well, you will give you the 50,000 discount since you have joined our healthcare webinar today. Students who come from healthcare references to join us at ESOFT will be giving exclusive 50,000 discount for them, and you will be initially paying. You can pay basically 50,000 rupees and join our HND program, and we will give you an installment plan for 16 to 18 months depending on your financial stability as you want to pay this course fee. Same thing goes with the degree. You can basically get a 70,000 discount, and you can just pay 100,000 down payment and join our degree as well. The intakes are open. And so basically, if you have anything, these are my contact numbers, and that is my another counselor contact number. So you can speak to Mr. Gasson. He's the CEO and the founder. He will help you all to register with us, right? So make sure that if you are directly calling ESOFT, make sure that you mention that you have visited the healthcare webinar, and if you mention that only, you will be given that exclusive discount as well. If not, you won't be getting it. So if there are any questions for the panel, they can ask right now.
Dear participants, if you have any questions regarding the biomedical engineering, biotechnology courses conducted by ESOFT, you can take this opportunity to clarify. Or else you can use the chat box to type your questions so that we will be able to answer your queries. Meanwhile, I would like to thank Mr. Salim to explain about biomedical engineering, biotechnology courses conducted at ESOFT very nicely, and it was a very knowledgeable session. We got almost everything about the courses, about the fees, and about the advantages of studying biomedical engineering and technology at ESOFT. Thank you so much for explaining all the in and outs of your courses and its modules. I believe once the students join at ESOFT, they will be able to make their future in a very prominent way in these engineering and technology fields.
Yes, let me. The degree is valid because it's offered by London Metropolitan University, UK. And you if you are having a London qualification, UK qualification degree holder, you can visit, you can apply masters to any university globally. Because I'm pretty sure myself and Mr. Gatson and most of us who are here having UK qualifications.
Yeah, that's great.